Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Odyssey wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades, a soft towel, and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Now, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. This prevents it from snapping back unexpectedly. Now let's remove the old blade. Look for a small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade downwards, away from the arm's hook. Once it's free, carefully lower the bare metal wiper arm back onto the windshield, placing a towel underneath to protect the glass. This prevents any accidental damage. Installing the new blade is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's fully seated and won't accidentally detach during operation. With the new blade installed, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto your windshield. Now, repeat these exact steps for the passenger side wiper blade, and if your Odyssey has one, for the rear wiper blade as well. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new blades with some washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and provide clear visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.